Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do the concealer with the easy step. I'm making it as short as I can so that you can understand. It can be done by anyone, maybe a guy or a girl. It's so easy. So let's begin. Concealer, with the help of concealer, it makes you instantly look awake because you don't look tired. And it can be done in 5 minutes, be it a guy or a girl, anyone can do it. You don't have to be a makeup artist to do it. For dark circles like mine, you can use color correctors. But if you don't have that much of dark circle, then just directly go with the shade that is one or two lighter than your skin tone. You can easily brighten up your eyes. First, take a little amount of concealer and put it. Then if you need more, you can go with the coverage. So these are the two steps, but you can skip the first step, that is the color corrector. People like me who have pretty deep eye set plus bluish purplish dark circles, then color corrector would be a good option for them. Don't rub the concealer, dab it properly with your fingers. Or you can use your brush, but while using the brush, try to dab it as much as possible. Dabbing is the key here. If you rub it off, then all the work you have done will just go away. So you don't want that. I guess you are still watching it, yes? Then you're till the end. Then please like, share and subscribe. And see you next time. Bye.